I want you to listen very closely to the message that I'm about to share with you, because your subconscious mind will be tempted to chime up and say all kinds of things. It's going to want to attack me. It's going to want to attack any type of thing that you possibly can think of that's other than you, because you're not going to want to take a hard look into yourself, because that is the tendency of most people, because we are raised to be weak. I'm here to cleanse you of that. I'm here to help you get rid of your excuses. I'm here to make you stronger, bolder. My name is Cesar Rodriguez, and I'm the leader of the Be 10 Times Bolder movement. And I just want to talk to some of you guys right now who are struggling financially. There's no reason to struggle. You can, if you want to, bad enough, find a way to cure yourself of your financial woes. There are a million businesses out there that you can start, many of them for very inexpensive. You can get started in one of thousands of network marketing companies that are out there. You can ask someone who is in some type of home-based business what they're doing, and you can get involved with it. And even if it's not the best one that you can find, you can still become successful in it. You can still make money no matter what, if you knock that little weak voice out of your head. That is the one that's going to probably start to chime up now any minute now as I start to go into some of the things that you can do. Because you're probably going to start thinking to yourself, and I want you to be very cognizant of this voice. This is the voice that's going to go, oh, but you don't understand. Oh, Cesar, you don't understand. I have a different situation. Whatever your situation is, whatever excuse you have, there's someone who has it harder than you, who's getting it done regardless. No excuses. When I got started in business, I was 21 years old. I did not have a lot of skills. I did not have a lot of contacts. I moved to a city where I knew no one, and I built my business from scratch by talking to complete strangers on the street, because I was hungry and I wanted it. I walked up to people. I had no idea who they were, if they were more successful than me. Chances are they were always more successful than me, because I was not making any money. I was brand new and I was just starting. But I carried myself with the posture of a 10 times bolder, more confident version of myself. I acted as if I already was successful, and you can do the same thing. You can go up to someone and you can say, Cesar, but I don't have any money. All the people I'm talking to don't have any money. Everyone's giving me money excuses. Find people with money. Go up to someone with a nice car. Say, hey, nice car. What's up? Looks like you're into something good. You've made some good decisions in your life. I want to talk some business with you. I'm used to dealing with people who are successful like yourself. Unless this is just a fluke and you inherited this, I don't know. But I figured I'd just say, what's up? Find out your story. What's your name? Why can't you do that? Oh, but Cesar, you don't understand. I'm a woman. That would be so intimidating. Listen to that voice. That story that you create that's preventing you from stepping out of your comfort zone is the reason why you're not successful, because you have yet to learn how to conquer that voice. You are being run by that weak-minded, excuse-making voice, and it's time to stop. It's time to kill that voice. It's time to step up. It's time to be bold. It's time to stop making excuses. There are people out there with money that will buy whatever it is you're selling. But Cesar, I'm not in a business yet. Find one. Cesar, I don't have the money. They all cost money. Find the money. No excuses. Go wash some cars. Get a crappy job for a couple of bucks an hour. Suck it up. Do whatever it takes. Save your money. Don't spend it on stupid stuff. Eat less. Borrow some. Find a way. Sell something. Sell the damn TV off your wall if it's not making you any money. Sell the couch in your freaking room. Yard sale, wholesale, sell it all. Go for broke. Make it happen. No excuses. So many people out there are like, but I'm scared to talk to people. Stop being scared. And if you're scared, feel the fear and do it anyway. That's how you become successful. You got to want it bad enough. And if you don't want it, no excuses. I'm going to give you a little line to take with you for the rest of your life, little Caesarism. Once you turn down the solution to a problem that you have, you forfeit the right to complain about it. After watching this video, you can never complain about not having money. All you can complain about is the fact that your weak-minded voice is stronger than your bold voice. That's the only excuse. That's the only thing that you can possibly say. Oh, I don't have any money. No, you're weak. You can find it if you want it bad enough. Oh, but you don't understand. Listen to that voice. It's coming up. You know what else that voice is probably doing? For some of you, it's probably attacking me right now. Oh, he doesn't understand. He doesn't know. Let me tell you something. This is not the nicest message that I've ever shared. I have a lot of other messages that if you see my other videos, you're going to go, I like that guy. He's really likable. This video, for the real ones, this is the video that people go, Cesar loves me. He must love me because he's willing to say something that's controversial. He's willing to get in my face and he makes nothing from it. I don't make anything if you become successful. I'm just fighting for you because no one probably is. Most people care more about what you think of them than they do to share a message that might wake you up and snap you out of this zombie-like trance that you're going through life, tiptoeing softly, hoping to make it safely into the grave. That's how you're living. Most people won't wake you up from that. Most people say continue to do that because you're not challenging them. But when you do go for it, when you do push yourself, you can become amazing things, and it removes the excuses from everyone else that follows you, that looks at you, that relates to you, and they go, man, if he can do it, so can I. But if you don't do it and you don't push yourself, then guess what? Then they get to go, well, you know, nobody in my neighborhood, no one in my neighborhood's making, you don't understand where I'm from, Cesar. You don't understand where I'm from. You don't understand where I'm from. If you're thinking that, then you don't know how I grew up. You don't know my story. You need to do your research because I came from living in a 2-bedroom apartment with 5 of us, growing up for the first 16 years of my life, to now my apartment that I grew up in could fit in a quarter of my house. Anyone can make it. No excuses. It doesn't matter what the color of your skin is. It doesn't matter how poor you are now. All that matters is how bad you want it and what you're willing to do. And the best part about it is you can make money legally. You can do it legitimately. You can be a pillar to your community. You can be an influencer of people that changes their life if you want it bad enough. Or you could be like the few people that are going to watch this and are going to attack me and say, you don't understand, Cesar. You don't understand. It's harder for me because insert lame excuse that you can't overcome if you want it bad enough. But the problem is some of you guys don't want it bad enough. And unfortunately, because of that, I have to get in your face and be that guy to challenge you. And for some of you, you're not going to like me for this message. I know. It's okay. I'm not doing this to be liked. I'd rather you respect me and be thankful for this message because it woke you up and later you became a millionaire because of it. Then you like me because I catered to your excuses. That's not what I was put on this earth to do. I am a leader, and leaders take people where they need to go, not where they want to go. And they tell people what they need to hear, not necessarily what they want to hear. So I hope this message impacts you. I hope you decide to suck it up, to be 10 times bolder, and to challenge yourself, to go for your dreams, and wake up from this zombie-like excuse-making state that you've been walking through life with. And if you haven't, congratulations. I'd like to know who you are. Drop a comment below. Let me know who my real ones are. And if this message has impacted you, let me know as well if I woke you up, shook you up, and maybe you share this message with some people that are on your team if you're in business, or just some people in general to wake them up. If you feel passionate about this message and you want to help me impact as many lives as possible, I appreciate you. I care about you. And that's why I'm willing to put myself out there like this to share this message. I hope you appreciate it and know that it's heartfelt. And I believe in you. You got this. Let's get it.